You know a whole lot more about this than I do. Just how unusual is it to get a comet this close?
It is quite unusual. Normally we see a comet a very bright one, about once every 10 to 15 years. And this one's particularly unusual, and it really is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So it started out its life way out on the edge of our solar system in a region of space known as the Oort cloud. This is an area packed full of comets, and it got nudged off its trajectory, and for the last few million years it's been sort of gently hurtling towards the Earth. It's not going to hit us, I should say that early on.
Gently hurtling,
yes.
I love the phrase, but I just wonder, how close is it going to get to planet Earth?
Well, it's going to be about 45 million kilometres away from the Sun, so it's a bit closer than Mercury. So it's, in space terms, this is close. Right. But for stargazers, it should provide quite a treat. So they'll be able to see, hopefully, a bright star-like body up in the sky, followed by a long double tail afterwards. They're quite pretty.
Well, I promise I'm going to get out there and try and have a look, but just how big is it? I mean, we talk about meteors, we talk about asteroids, but comets are bigger, aren't they?
Well, actually, it's really confusing, the naming of them. So this one, so the comet itself, the nucleus, is about 20 to 30 kilometres across. But actually, its tail can extend for more than 1 million kilometres. So basically what happens is it gets closer to the Sun. It's made of ice and dust, and this causes the ice and dust to heat up and turn to gas. And that's what gives these things the brightness, whereas asteroids are sort of more rocky and metally, and meteors, as we've seen in Russia, they're bits of asteroids.
Yeah, well, the Russians, of course, remember that very well,
yes,
given what happened. But do we learn anything? Scientifically, do we learn anything when a comet like this shoots through the sky?
Well, I mean, it is a chance to observe these things at close range. So it was only discovered in 2011. And it was seen then as sort of a faint little spot deep in the night sky. And it does give scientists at these huge observatories. So the reason it's called the Pan-Star Comet, I mean, it has a slightly ridiculous name, is because it was discovered at the Pan-Stars Observatory in Hawaii. So scientists will be using this as a chance to study it up close. But for stargazers, it should be, really fantastic once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see it.